Right, well, while we're on updates, I might as well give you a bit of a look at the rolling or the chassis situation. There's been quite a lot done here. From the engine, it's all been rebuilt. Gearbox all in. We've got the fuel tank in. Brake lines, all new brake lines made. The fuel lines from the tank forward, there's got to be a little clamp go on there through to the pump, and they then progress along underneath the floorboards and the chassis there up to the front there. You've got your fuel and the brake master cylinder. All the others are going forward to that four-way connector and switch there. The brakes are all in and done. We've got new hubs, new rotors. The calipers have all been rebuilt with new stainless steel pistons, new hoses, shockies were resealed, engine rebuilt and painted, floors, the insides have had a couple of coats underneath. I'll give them another good coat. I've painted that in oil-based enamel. It tends to dry reasonably hard, and out of the UV it's going to last. The wheels, I've done a bit of sandblasting. I've got 4 of those blasted up. The seals on the diff, I've put speedy seals in there to take up a bit of the marking that was, or the grooves that were there. Fuel tanks all painted in POR 15 type paint. It's just come up quite nice, not that you see too much of it, but it all looks good. Battery frames are all remade and new. Suspension's got all new springs. So yeah, a little bit more on the engine to do. I've got to blast the chrome off that, and engine plate. The front one, I'm going to replace that with another one I've got. So the modification to the starter motor recess, I guess, on the front tunnel. It's all been welded into place now. That all fits in nicely. So I guess that's sort of about the extent of the progress there. Not a great deal of work to be done really. Get those floors, or get the centre tunnel painted and the floors put in, and some wheels on it. Other than that, just a few bits and pieces to be done there. So yeah, that's an update on all of that. Everything's got quite dusty, what with the sanding and the painting on the body right next to it. I've tried to cover it up as best I can, but it's all still pretty dusty. Ultimately, I'll blow it all off with the air hose and see how that goes. Other than that, we'll have to put a bit of water on it at some stage. But there you go, another update for you on the progress on the chassis. Thanks for watching, thanks for your interest, and if you're so inclined, please subscribe and like, as it does help these little videos get out to more people. Thanks a lot, and we'll catch you all later.